Good morning, students. Welcome to another lecture on Greece elegy. Can a storied urn or animated bust back to its mansion called bust statue, animated lifelike, back to its mansion. Mansion means palace. Here, human body. The fleeting breath, life is part. जीव तत्व जिसे कहते हैं हिंदी में. Can owner's voice provoke the silent dust or flattery soothe the dull cold ear of death? हाँ, वो कहते हैं कि it doesn't matter if the poor forefathers of the villagers lived a humble life, unnoticed life, unknown life, because and they died unknown. Nobody knows about them. But the poet says that those persons who were endowed or who were given by nature good qualities on the basis of which they acquired name and fame, popularity, wealth, and with the help of their wealth they acquired name in the society. But do all these things can make them live again, can bring them back to life after their death, after once they are dead? Can all these things bring them back to life? Can a storied urn, suppose their ashes or the remains were put in a beautiful urn, the ashes of the remains of a rich dead, can that urn bring him back to life? क्या वो अर्न उन्हें वापस जीवित कर सकता है? नो. Then doesn't make a difference if the remains were put in a beautiful urn or in a simple pot or animated bust, or if a beautiful statue is put in the memory of a dead rich dead. अगर एक अमीर आदमी की याद में एक बहुत सुंदर मूर्ति लगाई जाती है, then is it possible that the statue, the beautiful statue, lifelike statue, can bring him back to life? No. Can owner's voice provoke the silent dust, dead body, or words said in honor of the dead? Can these words of honor bring a dead back to life? No. Then does it make a sense whether somebody said something in the honor of the dead or not? If nobody said anything in the memory of the dead villagers, does it make a difference? Or flattery soothe the dull cold ear of the dead person, or words of flattery या चापलूसी के शब्द. बड़े बड़े लोग हैं, उनके लिए श्रद्धांजलि सभाएं आयोजित की जाती हैं, लेकिन क्या वो श्रद्धांजलि सभाओं के शब्द, कैन द वर्ड्स ऑफ फ्लैटरी प्लीज द डेड मैन? नो, बिकॉज ही कैन नो लॉन्गर हियर एनी साउंड. So neither speeches made in honor of a dead person nor a lifelike statue or anything else can restore him to life, nor the words of praise showered upon him can give him any pleasure. Then it does not make a difference whether all these things were done or not, क्योंकि वो तो अपनी अपनी कब्र में दफन है. बहुत सुंदर लाइन है. नेक्स्ट, परहैप्स इन दिस नेग्लेक्टेड स्पॉट ग्रेवयार्ड, चर्च यार्ड, वेयर द रूट forefathers of the villagers are lying buried. वो कब्रिस्तान जहाँ उन विलेजर्स के पूर्वज दफन है, forefathers buried हैं. वो कैसा है? नेग्लेक्टेड, nobody pays attention. उन डेड विलेजर्स के वो लाइंग बरीड इन द ग्रेव्स, इवन उनके फैमिली मेंबर्स डू नॉट केयर. सो सम ऑफ द इन दिस नेग्लेक्टेड स्पॉट इज लाइंग बरीड सम हार्ट वंस प्रेग्नेंट विद सेलेस्टियल फायर. हाँ, सम हार्ट, सम पर्सन, सम विलेजर. हाँ, हो सकता है इन दिस नेग्लेक्टेड स्पॉट सम पर्सन हु वॉज endowed by nature with high qualities of pregnant with celestial fire. Pregnant, full of celestial divine inspiration. हो सकता है some villager who was full of divine inspiration, but due to the adverse circumstances he could not show his talent to the world. So the world does not know about him. Hence, that the rod of empire might have wielded. Rod of empire, scepter. Rajdan means Raj Satta. और हो सकता है in this neglected graveyard, churchyard, some villager who had the qualities of a good administrator lying buried. But since he did not get the opportunity to show his talent to the world, so he died unnoticed. The world does not know anything about him or wake to ecstasy the living liar. और हो सकता है in this neglected churchyard, some villager who had a divine inspiration, or who could with the help of his poetic quality write wonderful poems, or with the help of his music, quality of music, who had wonderful qualities, and who could with the help of his qualities develop or compose wonderful music, but he did not get the opportunity, so his qualities went unnoticed. The world does not know anything about him. But knowledge to their eyes, her ample praise, rich with the spoils of time, did never unroll. But knowledge, the book of knowledge. But what happened? The villagers, the viewed forefathers of the villagers who are lying buried in the graves were poor. So, due to their poverty, due to their adverse circumstances, they did not get any opportunity for education. They did not get time. They did not get opportunity. But knowledge to their eyes, her ample praise. But the book of knowledge didn't open. They did not get that. They did not get time. They did not get opportunity to read the book of knowledge, rich with the spoils of time. Did never unroll. कौन सी book? Rich with the spoils of time. वो book, वो vast knowledge, वो book which became more and more rich with the with the growing knowledge. जैसे जैसे समय निकलता गया वो ज्ञान रूपी पुस्तक और मोटी होती गई और रिच होती गई, लेकिन उन विलेजर्स को उस बुक को पढ़ने का मौका नहीं मिला. चिल पेनवरी रिप्रेस द नोबल डेज. हाँ, चिल एक्सट्रीम पेनवरी पॉवर्टी, रिप्रेस दबाना कुचलना. द नोबल रेज, नोबल एम्बिशन, they also had a great desire for doing something, for achieving something in their lives, but their extreme poverty repressed their ambition. लेकिन उनकी गरीबी ने उनकी उस एम्बिशन को वहीं की वहीं दबा दिया है. एंड फ्रोज द जीनियल करंट ऑफ द सोल, एंड देयर पॉवर्टी वाज अ सीवियर हैंडीकैप to them, because it did not allow them to develop their noble ambition, noble desire. Poverty has a benumbing effect upon the noble instincts, and their poverty dried up their noble, dried up the flow of their noble ambition. So this happened. अगर हम अपनी सोसाइटी में भी देखें तो we can find so many examples where there are so many people who are, you can say, divinely gifted, but due to lack of opportunity or due to adverse circumstances of their life, or due to poverty, or whatever you call it, they are unable to show their talent. They are unable to put their talent to the world. So the world does not notice their talent, and they die an unknown death. They live an unknown life and die unknown. Thank you.